Narrator, in this quick video, I'll show you exactly how to remove a game from your favorites on Roblox, step by step. Narrator, first, open Roblox and make sure you're logged into your account. Narrator, on the top bar, click or tap your profile picture or username to open your profile page. Narrator, on your profile, scroll down until you see the Favorites section with your saved games. Narrator, find the game you want to remove from favorites, look for its thumbnail in that list. On-screen label, step 1, open your profile and find favorites. Narrator, now, click or tap the game's thumbnail to open its game page. Narrator, on the game page, look for the star icon near the play button or title. This star means it's in your favorites. Narrator, click or tap the star. When it turns empty or gray, the game has been removed from your favorites. On-screen label, step 2, click the star to unfavorite the game. Narrator, go back to your profile favorites list. The game should no longer appear there. Narrator, that's it. You've successfully removed a game from your favorites on Roblox. Pause and replay if you want to follow along again.